like I got the air pressure about right. It's just kind of floating over everything. Is that how yours feels?
Yeah. It's just, I have to not freak out because I'm on this gravel shit.
Just don't hang on so tight. Just let the bike float underneath you.
But I don't want to be too far over the handlebars if I'm standing up, right?
No, but you don't want to lock your knees on that tank either.
Okay.
You gotta let that bike float. See how mine is just floating?
Yeah.
If you lock your knees on that tank, that bike's not gonna float. Pretty deep coming to that turn.
Yeah, I noticed that. You're having fun, right? Oh.
Throttle. Oh, you got it.
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Yeah.
I was not kidding. More COVID?
Huh?
I heard you cough. More COVID?
Yeah, more COVID. How's your air pressure feel?
It feels fine. I think I'm really glad on this shit that it's lower. I mean, I can tell when we go over the rocks that it's lower, but I need it on the sand.
Oh yeah, I think it will.
Yeah, it's going to take me a bit to get used to shifting with this boots on.
Before you move up.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. I'm not used to seeing you take these rocks this slow. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, back into the ball.
Yep. I made it up that deep sandy hill. What? Right turn?
Rocky, tight turn.
Okay. Oh yeah, no kidding. Got Penrose type. I made it. Wasn't sure there for a minute, but
You take the water break or anything, let me know.
definitely gonna take a while to get used to shifting in these boots, but my turn to have COVID for a couple minutes.
Keep your
feet down if you need to.
Nope, can't do it. Had to ride it on the pegs because I was completely thrown off.
Yep.
I was like, nope, can't put my feet down. Now I can see why you say.
As soon as I saw your leg come up, your feet come up, I was like, she's learning.
Oh no. Talk about unstable.
Yeah, you go like this.
Yeah, so definitely learned something very smart there.
Keep your feet down if you need to. Just kind of take it slow and easy.
Okay, so I should just ride that. I need to throttle through and ride that off-camber part, right?
Yeah. Or you could go the easier way.
I was already facing in the wrong direction for that because I was following you. So, and I'm like, whoa, here I am.